Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to create a beautiful wave-inspired video text effect in PowerPoint. This method is simple, professional, and guaranteed to elevate your next presentation. Let's get started. First, let's create the text mask. Open a blank slide. Go to Insert, choose Shapes, and draw a rectangle that completely covers the slide. Make sure to set the shape outline to No Outline. Next, go back to Insert and add a text box. Type your title. For example, the word wave. Choose a thick, bold font and increase the size so it sits prominently in the center of the screen. Here is the crucial step. Click on your background rectangle first. Then hold down the Shift key and click your text. Navigate to the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes, and select Subtract. You now have a perfect transparent cutout of your text. Now, let's bring the slide to life. Go to Insert, then Video, and add a seamless wave video from your device. Right-click the inserted video and select Send to Back, so it sits behind your cutout. To ensure smooth playback, select the video, go to the Playback tab at the top, set the video to start automatically, and check the box for Loop until stopped. Finally, let's style the overlay. Right-click your cutout shape and select Format Shape. Choose Gradient Fill. Set one side to white, and use the eyedropper tool to make the other side a soft color from your video. Increase the transparency on the gradient stops to give the overlay a sleek, modern look. You can also go to Shape Effects and add a preset to give the cutout some 3D depth. Play your slideshow and you have a stunning, dynamic presentation slide. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more workflows and design guides. See you in the next one.